Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will give you the information about the Revit. I am going to start the new series for the Revit software and which is very useful for civil engineer, and as we know that the Revit is the most useful software in the construction field. So every Saturday or Monday I post one small tutorial for the students who like to learn Revit, and I post small tutorials, so it is very useful for you. So without wasting your time, let's get started from the beginning. Okay, so let's start from how you can download. So you need to go here, Autodesk website, and on the bottom you get the one link here. As you can see that free software for student. So simple, you need to click here and you need to create your account, and you have to submit your document like your transcript or your college offer letter. So Autodesk give you the license for the 1 year or the end of your course, so it is very easy to download. Once you done your installation, let's start Revit. So once you open your Revit, you get this kind of display, and on the left hand side you get the option for the open, so which is useful for you work on your past projects. So you can simply open and you can run your old project, and here is the new button, so you can just simply open your new project. So first we start from a new project, and as you can see that here the one mm, a new template folder here, so you can just click and you find some option here: construction, architectural, structural and mechanical. So let's start from architecture, and simply you need to click here OK. Once you click OK, so as you can see that the window is running. So once your Revit is open, as you can see that is the default workplace: north, south, east, west, and on the left hand side corner you can see that architectural, structure, steel. I will teach you these options in a detail after this day by day or in a next tutorial. So on the left side it is the properties, and on the below the properties you get the project browser. Once you start work, you can see here the floor plan, ceiling plan, elevation. It is simple. You once you click here, so you get the different port here, but I will teach you after that. So now you need to set your unit, because as we know that unit is the most important for us. So there is two different types of scale: metric and imperial, as you can see that here. So as you can see that one example, so that is the tab, and on the bottom side as you can see that it is the centimeter and it shows us in metric, while the on the top side which is in feet. So feet dimension, it is shows imperial scale. So now you need to set your unit. So just write UN. So as you can see that you get the project unit. We will work on imperial scale, so you need to change here. As you can see the length, click here. So as you can see that in a format you get units. You need to select feet and fractional inches, which is the imperial scale. So select OK. Now you need to change all dimension in feet. So square feet, cubic feet. Angle you do not need to change because it is in 360. So that's it. You need to just simple length, area and volume. Click here OK. So now one more thing, if you want to change your scale of your drawing, so just go here at the left hand side, select on 100, select here. As you can see that I select 3 by 16 inches. So as you can see, so now my scale is on 3 by 16 inch is equal to 1 feet. So now let's start from drawing wall. So just go here in wall. As you can see that once you click below the wall, you can see that there is the different option. Select here and click wall architectural. So once you click on a wall, you get here the basic wall. So as you can see that in the wall section you get different types of interior wall and also the different generic wall. You can also modify the wall according to your requirement, but today we make one small tutorial which is take the random size. So select here the 300 mm size. So select wall and click left mouse key and just drag on a left to right and right to south side. Select here and click, and so as you can see that one rectangle is ready. So this is the four wall, and on the top of side of this wall it shows the dimension in imperial scale because we select imperial. Also you can use the metric scale if you want. So now as you can see that our wall is ready. Now if you want to see from the south side, so just go here on the left hand side corner and select south side. So as you can see that from the south side our wall is look like that, and that is the our elevation level 1 and 2, which is from here. So as you can see there is the 30 feet which is the default, so you can also reduce or you can change here. Let's check, we select is a 15 feet. So as you can see that our dimension level dimension is automatically set at a different height. And now if you want to reduce the size of this wall, so click here. As you can see that now you can see the blue arrow on the top. Click and drag to the level 2. But as you can see that there is the one wall 1 2 and there is the backside wall. If you want to this wall from here to level 2, so there is the second option. You need to go here in the properties. Once you select your wall, it automatically shows here. So now you can see that the top constraint, and you can see here select, you have two options where you want. We want up to level 2, so select here. So as you can see that our wall is automatically reduced from the here top to level 2. So same as you can reduce the size from select and drag and drop. So you can see our four wall at level 2. So now you can here, as you can see that if you select level 1, so it shows from the top view, and once you select the south side, as you can from here. Now if you want to see from the east side, select east side, and as you can see that our object is on east side. So now as you can see that our level is different from this object. So just you can select and drag where you want, like that's it. So as you can see that now you can see your level clearly, and also you can increase the size from here, as you can see that. So it is very useful. So now I will show you how you can make the 3D, or you can see your object in a different angle. Now go to here. As you can see that the one small house is there. Once you click on it, so as you can see that it shows you in top view but in a bird angle. So you can easily show from this all direction. And also as you can see that on the right hand side corner you get one box with the north, south, east and west direction. Once you click and rotate, as you can see that you can see like. So that is the simple way to you can create your wall, and you can see from the different viewport. As you can see that once you click on the top side, it set automatically on a top from the south, as you can see that. So that is the front view, and left hand side, right hand side and top view, etc. where you want. So now that is the end of today's tutorial. I wish it is very useful for you, and you need to practice this small assignment at your home, and you need to get command on this small tutorial or exercise. So I will meet in next tutorial with the new command, so which is very useful for you. Thank you once again by watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.